Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video on Model Context Protocol demo series. In this video, we'll see how to use Playwright MCP Server from Claude Desktop, GitHub Copilot, and Postman. In the previous four videos, we have seen how to create an MCP server using Python. We have created a to-do list app, a network device controller app, and we have seen how to create an MCP client using MCP use Python library. In this video, we'll focus on how to use a pre-written Playwright MCP server. This demo is going to be very simple. We just need to install Playwright and use it. First, we'll go through the documentation. Playwright is having a lot of advanced options. So this enables reliable end-to-end testing for modern web apps. So using Playwright, we can programmatically interact with the browser sessions, and this supports all these operating systems, and so you can use the Playwright API in all these languages, and it supports all the modern rendering engines including Chromium, WebKit, and Firefox. Here we'll see how to use Playwright MCP Server from GitHub Copilot, Claude Desktop, and Postman. This is the GitHub repo of Playwright MCP, and we can see how to install that in the MCP client. Now we'll see how to use it from GitHub Copilot. I'll go to VS Code, go to settings. Here we need to search for MCP and click on edit in settings.json. And I already have this config available. I added it earlier. And if you want to run this or restart it, you can click on restart, or first time when you're adding, you need to start this server. Click on start. So here we can see discovered 25 tools. Now I'll open GitHub Copilot and I'll type open a browser session. Go to google.com and search for latest AI news. Enter. So now we can see it is triggering a Playwright MCP server. I'll give continue. So now it has opened google.com. And the next action is coming here. It is going to use run type text. And here we are passing the element search ref e44, then text is latest AI news, submit true. In the Postman example, we have to manually give this data. Here I'll give continue. So it is automatically searching for the data. So this is a very simple demo of how to install and use it from GitHub Copilot. There are a lot of advanced use cases, but here we are just learning how to install it. Now we'll see how to use it from Claude Desktop. I'll close this session, open Claude Desktop. Cloud settings, developer, edit config, open this in VS Code. Here also I have added the Playwright server. And we can see that here as well. So 25 tools are available. I'll copy paste the same instruction here. Enter. So it has opened. And for the browser click, it is asking for the permission. I'll give allow always. So we are getting the data. In this way, we can automate the browser interactions. And here, if you notice, it is saying that I hit the maximum length for this conversation. So there are some token limits. Now we'll see how to do this from Postman. So here in Postman, you need to click on new and click on MCP. We just need to copy this command, select stdio, paste it here, connect. Then here we need to go to browser navigate. Here I'll give https google.com, run. So now this is opening the browser session. Then here we need to search for browser type. Here under element we need to give search, and ref string is going to be E44. Text is going to be latest AI news. Then submit true. If you notice our GitHub Copilot, here also it was passing same data, but in case of Postman, we are passing it manually. I'll give run. You can see here, it is triggering. In this way, you can start using Playwright MCP Server for browser automations.